at a gorgeous boat out on the horizon, but I would never be able to zoom in close enough for you to see this beautiful yacht. It's fabulous. Looks like it's heading south, maybe going to the Caribbean. And how nice would that be? We may do that sometime this year. I'll take you with me. Wow. Get on this white sand and the sand's much warmer than when you're in darker sand that's wet. The breeze is cool. The breeze is slowed down just a bit. Walking in the sand can be a bit difficult, especially with these vines growing under your feet. You have to be careful not to trip over them, but they're grown to protect the sand from blowing away, and that's very, very helpful, because if not, you're going to have sand in everybody's backyard and it'll get washed away also out into the ocean. But you do have to be cautious. I want to show you one of my favorite houses along this stretch of beach. Hold on just a minute. That's stunning. I love the yard art next to the pool, but let's see what's on down here. This also is one of my favorite homes on the beach. So if we can get up here. I believe this might be where they're going to put a turtle cage, because the turtles come up and lay their eggs, and they're going to start putting those protective cages out as soon as the eggs are laid. So they may be staking that now wherever they think they're laid. This is a beautiful home. It's hard to see this one because they have so much shrubbery, but I don't blame them, because who wants someone taking YouTube videos of their home? Hi everybody! Today is absolutely incredible, but it can't be more incredible than yesterday. The beach was not busy at all, so we had almost had the beach to ourselves, and then later we went to have lunch. We had a seafood lunch and it was so good. And I am on my way to the grocery right now to pick up some items to make for dinner. I'm going to make a Greek dish, and I don't think I've made this for you in the past. I know I cook several Greek dishes. As a matter of fact, whatever I have on video, I'll try to put it at the end of this video. So if you are a lover of Greek food, you might want to click into one of those and find your new favorite Greek recipe. So today we're going to make a pasta dish. I don't run across many Greek recipes with pasta, but this one is a chicken dish with feta cheese and pasta and lots of herbs. So it's packed with yumminess, and we love it. So I am going to run in the grocery, pick up those items, and then we're going to go home, cook. But I don't know what we have planned this evening. Maybe nothing, and if we do, I'll certainly take you with me. I'm sauteing 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I have cut each chicken breast into strips for easier cooking. Add 1/2 to 3/4 of a cup of sun-dried tomatoes, depending on your love for tomatoes. I had baby bell peppers on hand, so I took 4 or 5 of those and sliced them and added them to the recipe. But if you have 1 large bell pepper, use that. Now let's add 2 cloves of fresh crushed garlic. Now I'm adding just a bit more olive oil. Add 1/2 teaspoon each of oregano, thyme, and rosemary. Include 1/2 can of chicken broth. Add a block of feta cheese. Cover and allow the cheese to melt. Include a cup of pitted black olives. While the chicken and all of those delicious ingredients are simmering, I'm boiling pasta. You can use any type of pasta you prefer. Let's add a pinch of salt and some cracked black pepper. Combining the chicken with the cheese and all of the other ingredients into the pasta for one huge pot of deliciousness. I hope you enjoy this recipe as much as we do.